An RFQ arrives as an email with a drawing attached. Before you know whether the job is worth quoting, you have opened the PDF, checked tolerances, counted operations, and estimated material by hand. That is 45 to 90 minutes every time, whether the job is worth $200 or $20,000. A 5-person shop sees 5 to 20 of these a week. At the low-end, triage alone eats most of a working day, and the RFQs that get answered fast are the ones that win. Quote inside 48 hours, and the win rate runs about a quarter higher than quotes that sit for a few days. Here is the whole of it. Input is the inbox, nothing else. No new portal to check, no software to learn. The agent reads the incoming email and the attached drawing together, pulls 6 fields off them, and writes a separate list of what the drawing did not state clearly. 2 things come out: a draft package, 1 per RFQ, and the flags on it. The price and the send button are the part that never moves. So here it is on 3 RFQs it has never seen. The drawings are photographs of paper prints because that is what actually arrives, not clean PDFs. Part number, material, finish, quantity, due date, and the tightest tolerance called out on the sheet. Second RFQ. The tightest tolerance on this sheet is not on a dimension, it is a line of text in the top right corner, concentricity 15 microns on the bore. The agent took it from there and said in writing that it was not using the general tolerance note instead. It also read the subject line, annual requirement, against the body, our usage is 250, and refused to treat that as an order quantity. On these 3, it did not misread a field. What it did instead was tell me where to look. The finish on this one is a small line inside the title block, off a photographed print, and the agent read it and then flagged it. Text is small on this scan, worth a human confirmation. Vision models reading engineering drawings run at 80 to 95% field accuracy, so that flag is the part that matters. Which is why the draft says, in plain text, verify against the drawing. It also separated what it read from the sheet from what it took off the email. Quantity is never on the drawing, and it said so every time instead of presenting it as read. The agent does not send quotes and it does not price. The decision stays with you. That line does not move. Today, you pay for this in your own time at shop rates or in software built for something else. A managed agent for this one job runs $390 to set up and $149 to $199 a month, heavier than the $99 base because drawings are a heavy input. If your shop gets a steady trickle of RFQ emails with drawings attached, we will look at your actual pile and write back what an agent would and would not handle. That review is free. Link below.